Get ready, gamers! RedMagic is about to shake up the gaming phone scene with their latest powerhouse, the RedMagic 10 series. Today, we're diving into the brand new teaser that just dropped, covering the RedMagic 10 Pro and its family lineup. Mark your calendars, November 13th is the big day. That's when RedMagic will unveil the 10 Pro, 10 Pro Plus, and 10 Ultra in China. And from what we've seen so far, this series is loaded with upgrades designed for serious gaming. Now, let's talk screen. The 10 Pro boasts the industry's first 1.5K true full screen with a jaw-dropping 95.3% screen-to-body ratio and 1000 nit peak brightness. This is no ordinary display. It's a massive 7-inch OLED with a silky smooth 144Hz refresh rate. And yes, the selfie camera is hidden right under the screen, keeping the view totally immersive. Under the hood, we're looking at a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with up to 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. There's also a dedicated gaming chip and a PC-grade cooling system, which should keep the phone running smoothly even under intense gaming pressure. Powering all this is a hefty 7050 mAh battery with 120W fast charging. Say goodbye to battery anxiety during those long gaming sessions. And for photography lovers, the 10 Pro packs a 50MP main camera and a 16MP front camera. Not only will it handle your gaming, but it'll capture great shots too. That's all for now, but stay tuned for the full launch on November 13th. If you're excited about the RedMagic 10 series, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. See you next time.